Hello, it's Deborah from The Attic, and today I have the subscription box from Your Creative Studio for November 2022. I always say it in the videos, but I'll say it again. Don't be put off by the dates on the kits because these are vintage subscription kits. They're very cleverly curated so that it doesn't matter what season or month you buy it. The contents will always work really well with other kits. So I will show you what we have in this box because I've had the tiniest little peek and it looks gorgeous. But before I do that, I'm going to say, if you're a returning friend, welcome back. If you're new here, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, and that way you'll know every time I upload a new video. All of the information about the subscription boxes from Your Creative Studio will be linked in a little comments box, read more box below this video, so go and check them out there. Now, if you will allow me a little indulgence, I'm going to take up a tiny moment of your time to tell you about a Doodling in the Dordogne residential workshop that is taking place this September in the southwest of France, and I will provide details all about that again in the read more box below this video. There is a video that tells you all about it, gives you an idea of the scenery and the sorts of places that we will be taking you to get inspiration to inform our doodling. But this is kind of doodling for people who don't think they can draw, because at the end of a few days I will show you absolutely can draw. So do please go and check out that video, and I will provide a link up there in the top right corner. So back to our beautiful box for a little bit of a peek at what we have. The little card that you get on top always gives you a hint. So I'm going to be guessing that we're looking for flowers and we're looking for these lovely lilac lavender colours. These boxes are always absolutely packed with goodies, and so to get through them all, what I'm going to do is, there are a couple of things I want to show you first. We'll discover these together, and then I'm going to do a little speeded up version so that you can see much more quickly what is in the boxes. But I wanted to look at these journal tabs because I thought these looked really good. Let's just take a look at one, and these look like they are card and they will fold over. And so you can create little tabs on your journal books, and you can write little comments on there, make indexes for your pages or page numbers if you want using these. I thought these looked absolutely ingenious and really good idea. And the other thing I wanted to have a little quick poke at is this. Oh, isn't that just the cutest thing? And it's even French. Isn't that so sweet? It's like a little suitcase and it's got a clip there so it springs back closed. Oh, that's just lovely. And it's as if it is designed for our little bits and bobs. Okay, speeded up version coming up. After we've done the speeded up version, I will be making 5 layouts. You've seen this journal book before if you've seen my other videos using these kits, and I will just do a very quick sped up version of 5 really nice little layouts for you, collage layouts to give you lots of inspiration for yourselves, only using the contents of the subscription box. I think that's quite important because if this is all you're buying, this is what you want to use, and I'm not going to assume you've got a whole load of other inks etc. to throw at this. It's just the contents of the box. So there we have our 5 rather pretty layouts from the November subscription kit. The colours are really lovely, they work together beautifully, and these collage pages came together quite quickly, and I think when you've got colour on your side it does make it a lot easier. And I do like pages that have lots and lots of tuck spots, as you can probably tell. This is a nice way to create a different tuck spot as well. If you can find a way into an element, a picture, and then just find an appropriate way to add a little cut into it, it makes a little bit of a different tuck spot again. I hope you enjoyed these page layouts. I hope it's given you some inspiration for ways that you can use your kit from your creative studio. As I said, all of the details can be found below the video. Just click in the description box to get all of the information and links to their website. So as always, I'm going to say thank you very much for your time. If you found this video useful and helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And until we meet again, stay safe and take care.